This revealed itself to be, let's just say, a rather amazing rock. I mean, it's a piece of ironstone. Originally, there was a bit more stuff over there. Not that much color was originally exposed. Same thing with that side. So I put a saw blade through it, and that was the result. I mean, two beautiful pieces. Obviously, the piece on the left is more spectacular. Let me dip them in some water. Koroit opal is known for many things. A lot of people think of the matrix patterned material, which can be fantastic. As a matter of fact, yesterday I found some nuts, some Koroit nuts that look like they're going to have that nice sort of matrix pattern to it. But Koroit also can produce material like this. Now, obviously, this piece on the left has more kick to it and is more rare, and yes, it will have more dollar signs attached to it. Even for someone like me who's been mining for over 20 years, that makes me go, wow. And again, that came out of Koroit. It came out of an area, I mean, where I found this is maybe 2 meters away from where I found a bunch of nuts yesterday. So in a very short distance, you can find very different material. Let me dip that in some water again. And it has some reasonable thickness to it, so I think I'm probably, some material I sell in the rough, and I do sell slices, but I also sell cut and sell cabs. I think I'm probably going to keep this one and cab it myself, and then wholesale the cab after I look at it for a while and play with it for a while. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. I thought, to be fair, we should take a look at this piece too. Even though those two pieces grew up next to each other, this one's quite different. It still should cut an interesting cab. And once again, here's its neighbor. Now that'll give you something to dream about. Thanks for watching.